Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:39 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Union Grove, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Sturtevant, Union Grove, Windpoint, Caledonia, Elmwood Park, North Bay, Franksville, and North Cape. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee